What is up, you guys? Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Casey Helton and I do lots of lifestyle cleaning, home decor videos. And if you've been around here for long, you would know that I love shopping at HomeGoods. I mean, who doesn't? But I went to HomeGoods last night. Wait a second. I have two dogs, a puppy, Brody, who's coming over here. You're going to hear growling and wrestling around in the background, but if I put them in another room, he will bark. So there's just going to be some puppy chaos going on in the background of this video. But I did go to HomeGoods and I got so many cute things. I feel like now is a great time to go to HomeGoods. They've just restocked, at least my HomeGoods has. They've just restocked with so many like fun, great items, and I got so many cute things for spring too. I am already starting to decorate for Easter, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on a video, because I'm going to be putting some Easter videos out really soon. I also want to note that I've been having some camera issues and also editing issues, which is why I've kind of been slow to be putting out videos. I'm going to download a different software, probably before this video, we'll see, but it keeps like distorting my sound. My editing software updated and now my sound will be distorted, and I have no idea why. So I can't get it figured out and I can't keep putting videos out. And also I adjusted my autofocus on this camera, just kept going in and out constantly. So I've changed the focus, I think. So I'll see once I go to edit this video if it's any good, but hopefully it is. Let's get started. I wanted some like fresh, fun kitchen items because it's just, I feel like I've got a lot of mismatched stuff and I just kind of wanted everything to be cohesive. I have a white and gold kitchen and I really wanted to like play up the gold elements, and plus gold just feels so like fancy. I mean, it feels fun and exciting, like it just feels special. So let's get started on some of my gold finds. I got a new little utensil set and they are silicone at the bottom, which I think is really nice because you can use them in all of your cookware, and they've got these really pretty gold handles. And I can always use extra spatulas. There's 2 spatulas, 2 spoons, and a little pasta cloth. I got some fun stuff. We'll get to that, but first I'm just gonna show you some basic items. Actually, I needed a dustpan and a broom the other day and I couldn't find one. I think I left it in my storage unit and it's probably buried by now. So I got a cute little dustpan and broom. Riveting, I know. And then more gold things. I got a cake server, something I did not need. I think I have 1 or 2, but like I said, I wanted everything to be cohesive and match. So it's got like a marble handle and a gold piece there. So cute. And another thing, like I want to film myself making dinners and stuff like that, and I notice whenever I get my pots and pans out of the oven, I will look for something to sit them on, usually like a pot holder. I thought these would be nice. They are trivets, so hopefully you can put a hot pan on them. That's what I was assuming a trivet is. There's 2, a large one and a small one, and I thought they were really pretty. They don't say anything about hotness, but is that not what a trivet is? I love the detail. Oh, ignore the fact that I have no nails. I love the detail. Yeah, guys, I took my nails off, so ignore that. They just taking a little breather for now. I got some new measuring cups and spoons that are white and gold. Another thing I picked up were these reusable like sponges. I thought they were so cute. They're in spring prints, like little daisies and flowers and pastel colors, and there are 5 of them, and I thought they would be really cute. I also got some small little gold bowls, just for like cooking, and anytime I want to display something and it look cute while I'm cooking, I just got a few of these bowls because I've been wanting some stuff like that. And I mean, these were like $2 and $3, so thought that was a perfect little piece to add. Another thing I've been wanting was a little cloche to put on my counter so I could display some baked goods in. And wow, they had so many cute ones. It was really hard for me to decide. There was a beautiful wood one, a couple marble ones that I had a hard time talking myself out of, but I felt like since I was going with the whole gold theme, like a lot of times when I'm buying stuff, I want everything to be cohesive in my cart. I know that's crazy, but I figured if we're doing the gold, let me get the gold close. I got this pretty like hammered gold one. And then you just put the little top on. You could put some like candies or baked goods under here, and that way it's just so much cuter to display them. A lot of times I'll get something from the bakery and it'll be in like the little plastic clamshell, and then instead of putting it in the pantry where it will get forgotten about, since they're fresh, I like to keep them on the counter. And you know, who wants to put that plastic thing on their counter that's got like the price tag and everything on it? That way I'm just gonna take the cookies or whatever it may be out and set them on here, and I think that will just add so much to the kitchen. Okay, I'm not sure what's in here. Oh, I think there's some mugs in here. All right, I actually got some mugs because, believe it or not, I didn't have any mugs. I have one mug in my cabinet, and I know you're thinking, what? I had hundreds of Rae Dunn mugs. I got rid of all of them. I think I have a couple, but I don't use them. I don't know where they are. I have a ton of Christmas mugs and a ton of Halloween mugs, but I had no regular mugs. Needed to start it off fresh with some just everyday mugs that can carry me all the way until I bust out the Halloween ones again. So, oh, that's not a mug. I got 3 pink mugs. It was just what they had, the cutest pink ones they had. So I got this adorable mug. It's got the cute little smiley face. It's got little speckles on it, and look at the inside, you guys. It is pink and floral. I love it, and it's just such a happy mug. And then I got this really cute pink mug with the flowers and the Eiffel Tower, and what really made me fall in love with it is right here it says Paris is always a good idea. I just thought that was so stinking cute. And the third pink mug I got says, "Good morning, beautiful." And I just thought it was such a fun, happy, inspirational quote. And it's so cute on the inside with all of the hearts. I just love it. The inside really got me. So these are my 3 new mugs to add to my collection. So I found the cutest little set at Homegoods. And when I got to the register, I was bummed to realize one of the cups had like a chip in it, even though they're not glass, it just was broken. So it was a pitcher and 4 cups, but I only bought 2 of the cups because 3 just seemed wrong. So I got a pitcher and 2 cups, which also feels wrong. I don't know about you, but anytime I buy a cup that is not a mug, I need 4 of them. I have to get 4. So this was just too stinking cute. Look at this, guys. It's like that acrylic type stuff that you can take outside, and I thought for the summer coming up, this would be a perfect little drink set. I just love how it's like faceted and a little iridescent, but look how cute. I mean, I really don't need 4, but look at that. Oh my gosh, it just looks too cute. So I got that. After I left Homegoods, TJ Maxx is right next door, so I ran in to see if perhaps they had any of those cups, and I didn't find them, but I did find 4 more cocktail glasses, and I only have 1 over here with me, I think, but look how cute they are. They look like a little flower with the pink fluted top and the green stem, and I thought these would be so cute for spring and Easter, so I got 4 of these. Another kitchen find that I got, this was actually a TJ Maxx. This is kind of embarrassing because it's like absolutely nonsensical, but I was just thinking, how aesthetically beautiful could this be? Now, if only I could get rid of like all the condiments and pickles in my fridge, this would be perfect. But look at these guys. I don't even know if I should keep these or not. I feel so ridiculous. I got this milk and beverage carton, and look how cute these are. They've got a little spout up here that you can pour out of, and it says you can just write the date of your product on it, because that's one thing I've always worried about when people like switch things. But it just says label me with a dry erase marker, so you can put the date on there, and then you don't have to worry about when things are going to expire. But I got 2 of the half-gallon jugs, which are just so cute. I figure I could put milk in one and orange juice in the other. I got a 2-piece quart that my creamers will go into. So these are so stinking cute, but totally ridiculous. And back to not having any pot holders that are very cute. I got these cute pink floral pot holders. So I don't know, when you're getting stuff out of the oven, you want it to be cute, right? So I got the pink floral ones. It just flowed with the whole vibe of literally just revamping the kitchen and making it feel just more enjoyable. And then I don't know how, there's something glittery that was in this bag, but I got just a little silicone spatula and brush there. Pink, of course. And then a couple other things I picked up was this expandable flatware tray. The one that I have is just old and faded. It was like a Pioneer Woman, and I've had it for so many years. I was just looking at it the other day thinking, I really need to update this. So I just grabbed another one while I was there. And then I grabbed this white standard cutting board. It's like an acrylic, just super easy. I have been stressing about my cutting boards lately. So I only have one acrylic one, and I find myself needing more than one at times, like if I'm cutting different things. Because I will tell you, I cut an onion the other day, and I washed the cutting board with soap, and it was just sitting there. And I cut some strawberries on it next, and these strawberries tasted like onions. So I'm like getting different cutting boards, and we're designating them for certain things, like one for meat, one for onions, and then one for everything else. The dogs have gone quiet. This is a bad thing. I'm very, very, very worried. But now I want to get to the fun Easter spring stuff that I picked up. I found this gorgeous garland, and they had a little topiary to match, but I thought the garland would go good with my tablescape, or that's what I was thinking, where could I put this? But let me show you how cute this garland is. This is how big it is. I'm not sure the measurements, but I will give you a close view. But look, it is so cute. Just all of the jewels and the eggs and the glitter is so fun. It's just so fancy and pretty. Look at the butterflies. The butterflies really got me. And I love this bright green color too. It is just so fun and whimsical. All right, I am back from the potty break, and now the dogs are rowdy, but they're gonna be romping around. I want to show you the rest of the spring items that I got that I'm going to be decorating with in an upcoming video. I got this cute little cake. I don't know why, I just have always wanted one of these cakes because they're just cute, aren't they? I mean, look at it. It's pastel, there's macarons, there's icing, there's a cute little bunny on the top, and I think this was only $16.99. Now, it doesn't stop there because I actually saw 2 cakes, and I didn't get I didn't get these things last night. I got them on another day, but I'll show you the other one. Other one is much more elaborate. It is the Cupcakes and Cashmere brand. I'm just in love with all of their stuff, but I've seen some people paint these, but I really just love the color scheme of the baby blue and purple. Even though I'm a pink girly, these look so cute in the color scheme. But it's got the eggs on top, and I don't know, just so adorable and fun. And look how adorable this is. It's like the Mad Hatter tea party looking guy. I am so obsessed with him. I actually saw another one like him last night at TJ Maxx, but it was shiny. This one is matte. I got this one at HomeGoods. I don't know if, I think the one could have been a little bit bigger, but this one lights up. Yeah, so cute. It lights up. I don't know if you can see that, but it is lighting up. And then actually, so I did get one piece last night. Oh my goodness, with the whole tea party theme. Look at these little teacups. I'm obsessed with teacups. So just seeing this little teacup stuff, I thought was just way too stinking cute. But I really don't have a space in my house to decorate with these types of things, so I'm gonna like incorporate all this into like an elaborate tablescape. You know how I am about my tablescape, so we're gonna figure something out, and we're just gonna have like a little coquette pastel Easter tea party, and I can't wait to share it with you. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my HomeGoods haul, and I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel because I can't wait to share with you all of my spring and Easter ideas that I have coming up. So be on the lookout. That's coming next, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.